Hello, welcome to the Python course. Before we start this course, you will need to install two software on your computer. First software is called Python. Think of Python as a translator. It translates your code to something that computer understands. Second software is called PyCharm. PyCharm is an app. It helps to make our coding life easier. When we type code in PyCharm, it will highlight using different colors. And if there are simple mistakes, PyCharm will highlight the mistakes as well. Now let's look at how to download these two softwares. Just go to Google and search for Python download. Click here. The latest version is here. Since I'm using MacBook, so Chrome already chose the version for Mac for me. If you are using Windows, you will see the latest version for Windows. Open another tab. Then you can search for PyCharm download. Click here. You can see it displays PyCharm Professional version and it has a free 30 days trial. So don't download this version. Scroll down and search for this Community Edition. This is free and just download for your computer.